It's already started to snow. Expecting up to 2 to 3 feet of snow in this storm. 50 to 60, 70 mile an hour winds, hurricane force winds coming through New London. It's already started to snow, as you can see. Yeah, it's already starting to snow. We're having this the biggest storm we've had in close to 20 years starting right now. It's just barely started to snow out here. Got a lot of ice around. I have to go to the dump. Think of it. Kind of glum. Evacuation of the coast of New Hampshire, Maine, and Massachusetts. And the track of the storm is going to be coming right up here, right up over New London, as a matter of fact. The same track that the hurricane took in 1985. Yep. Now I'm getting ready to go to the big excitement of the dump.
Oh, that's great. You know, she's just a lucky person. Well, actually, it turns out she was a plant. She was an actress. She went on to star in a TV show called Misfits of Science. Just goes to show you there is nothing spontaneous in the music video business anyway. Also REM for that, going out to Steve, who's working today up in Racklin Paints. Pretty Persuasion from the Reckoning album. And when we come back, I will tell you all you need to know about the weather. You have a 2-inch vertical.
No, it's not November 23rd, 1992, that's for sure. The date is not November 23rd, 1992. It's March 13th, 1993, and this is Blizzard 93 in Sunapee, New Hampshire.
You couldn't slam a door, but hey, you've got the NBA McDonald's fantasy contract for Marble building stone for all uses in and around your private palace. Granite. Scarlet Marble and Granite wants you to remember, rock may be heavy, but lighten up. Stop by to see their selection and let your imagination do the talking. Building stone. Scarlet Marble and Granite Company, Business Route 4, Center Rutland, Vermont.
Living in a cave, probably a snow cave, we know that a big blizzard is on the way. Now, I just got a call from a listener, a regular listener, who said, hey, do you think I should go skiing today? And I said, well, it's going to be great in terms of snow. You might have trouble getting back, so be prepared to be stranded wherever you decide to go. With that in mind, blizzard warnings are in effect for this afternoon through tomorrow. Light snow this morning is going to increase. It'll become heavy, and the winds will be increasing to blizzard conditions by 3 to 5 p.m. 20 to 40 mile per hour winds by late this afternoon. And what they say is chance of snow, 100%. I think you can bet on that. Tonight, the heavy wind will drive the snow, causing very poor visibility near zero and extreme drifts. So hopefully you won't have to go out anywhere. 20 to 40 mile per hour winds will gust up to 60 mile per hour, and the total storm accumulation may reach 3 feet. Tomorrow, occasional snow, winds of 30 to 50 miles per hour, blowing and drifting snow with poor visibility. Gee, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure that out. Temperatures will fall to 0, and with the wind chill factored in, it will get down to 45 below. It's 15 right now. I am out of here. I'm going to see if I can pick up some provisions and head home and barricade myself for the storm. Jeff Lee is going to hole up in the studio here. He's got a bunch of donuts, and he's ready to go. Keep you informed and entertained throughout this snow emergency. Let's get him going with a tune from General Public, going out to Scott in Alstead, New Hampshire. Tenderness, 1027 WEQX Time Machine Weekend.
Welcome to Newport, New Hampshire. That's right. That date is wrong on the clock there that you're looking at. It's March 13th, 1993. Newport, New Hampshire. Date of Blizzard 93. The largest storm since 1978. 11:37, March 13th, 1993, and we're in Newport, New Hampshire.
It's everybody. No wonder
At McDonald's.
magazine voted
Here's the scene.
Otherwise, here say Tycho has the best most ski conditions in Europe. I'll go with the tour tickets on $29 for adults and $17 for juniors. Wednesday and Sunday afternoons are not regular, but they are often. This weekend, Tycho plans full operation with all...
Back at my house, and the storm's starting to get a little bigger here. They're going to have plenty of snowbanks this year to get rid of. Blizzard of 1993. Have to park the car up here because the wind's going to pick up to 50 to 60 miles an hour by 5, 6 o'clock this afternoon. It's going to be possibly hurricane force. Trees might be coming down. Let's get a picture of them here, in case some of them do. Expecting possibility up to 3 feet of snow. Again, huh? Yep. We've already got 3, so 3 feet of snow would bring it up to about here. God, it's gonna be forever to get rid of this stuff this year. Lights might be going out today. I might have to go up and get another Coleman lantern, camping style lantern. Yep. Might get a fire going in the fireplace here in a little bit.
In danger? Are we talking about some serious beach erosion where we might actually see the seawall being broken down?
The seawall probably, that would take quite a fierce storm. I tell you what, but beach erosion will be a major problem as it's been with some of these other coastal storms. So beach erosion, and some of those residents that are right on the immediate ocean in Rye, and as you make your way through Portsmouth, southern Maine, and also the north shore of Massachusetts, those residents that are right on the ocean, they will be seriously threatened early tomorrow morning.
Now, a couple times when we've been talking to you this afternoon, I can hear the announcement over the emergency management system. Is that just being played every 5 minutes?
I haven't really been able to pick up a time period between announcements. It's about the 4th time it's happened, and they're just repeating the message that at 2 o'clock the evacuation site will be open for Hampton Beach residents.
Do you think the majority of people in the area are going to the shelter?
I wouldn't be surprised. Because of the way the storm has picked up in intensity over here, I think folks may heed those warnings and get over to the evacuation.
All right, thank you, Bob. We're expecting any more this afternoon.
That's right, the blizzard of 93. In the beginning stages, 1:11 p.m., March 13th, 1993.
Some of the latest news into our newsroom. I told you at the top of the hour that the New Hampshire Office of Emergency Management has officially declared a state of emergency as of 1 o'clock, so the state of emergency is now in effect. Now, what that means is that the state will be able to utilize all available resources when it comes to combating this storm. And it also opens up the door for the state to receive federal funding, federal assistance to repair any damage this storm may do, which will be especially critical for Seacoast residents. And I understand Seacoast residents will also be able to apply.
Continuous blizzard of 93 coverage from New